Thank you. Inauguration Day marks a change of presidents, but also many other public servants down the line. U.S. Attorney Mark Totten announced he will be stepping down come Monday.
Totten was nominated by President Biden and serves Western Michigan. But before he goes, he sat down with our Tricia Sloma to take a look back on some of the most important cases that defined his career.
In our area, we have a special interest of the gun violence case out of Benton Harbor and Dunham Sports. Would you talk a little bit about that case and how it was successfully prosecuted?
Yeah, so we are really focused on trying to bring the gun violence down. In 2021, we saw some of the highest numbers in 3 decades. And, one of the most striking statistics to me was that gun violence in 2021 and since has become the #1 killer of kids. And so we have really tried to do 2 things. We have tried to focus on the drivers of violence, which we think are, 1, shooters, people that are willing to pull triggers, and then people that are engaged in illegal firearms trafficking. And that's what was happening at Dunham Sports, right? These 2 criminals, Darnell Bishop and Dontrell Nance, kidnapped the manager of Dunham's, broke into the store, stole 123 guns. And thanks to the incredibly swift response of local law enforcement, other law enforcement partners, ATF was involved as well, we were able to recover every single one of the guns and to bring justice to the 2 individuals that were involved.
Do you think this very well may have prevented deaths?
Oh, for sure. These 123 guns were going to end up on the streets somewhere, most likely in this area, right? And so this kind of work to try to prevent the illegal trafficking of guns is incredibly important in terms of addressing the larger problem.
What's next for Mark Totten?
I've been in public service for 6 or 7 years. I'm looking forward to taking a little bit of time off, spending some time with my family, and then figuring out what's next.
This has got to be bittersweet, coming to an end, your tenure in Michigan.
Look, there's always more to do, and we could make more of the time, but I really am so grateful to have had this opportunity to serve.
And you heard what the man said there. He's going to spend a little more time with his family and then figure out what's next.